In order to tackle with the water crisis, the Aam Aadmi Party government has moved the Supreme Court in order to get water from neighbouring areas, whether it's areas of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh or even Himachal Pradesh. The government has also implemented emergency measures to tackle the crippling water crisis. Washing cars with a hose or using domestic water for commercial purposes or overflowing water tanks will now attract a fine of 2,000 rupees is what Atishi has gone on to say. There's also a ban as far as the usage of potable water at construction sites is concerned. So there is a protest that's taking place as far as the BJP is concerned. They are in fact they are protesting against the water crisis in the national capital, while Atishi is saying that is the Aam Aadmi Party leader, that they've set up a central water tanker that will supply water now to all those who are in need of water. Also, the Delhi Jal Board will now have 200 teams that will be formed in order to issue challans when it comes to water wastage. We have Ishika joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, take us through, when can we expect the Supreme Court to respond to this demand that is being made by the Aam Aadmi Party regarding the water shortage as far as the national capital is concerned?
As you rightly mentioned, in fact, that the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government has now moved to Supreme Court regarding this water crisis. It was since day one that the water minister in the Delhi government, Atishi, had alleged that it is because the Haryana government is not releasing sufficient water is why we are seeing water crisis here in the national capital. Now, over this issue today, in fact, the Delhi BJP held protest here in the national capital, and in fact they allege that this is more of a man-made crisis. They allege that it is because the Aam Aadmi Party led Delhi government, they were not able to implement their summer action plan properly, which is why today the people here in the national capital are facing this water crisis. This is what BJP goes on to allege. But Divya, what we are also seeing here, that in fact on this issue of water crisis, apart from the war efforts that has intensified, it is also protest versus protest that we are seeing here in the national capital. The Delhi BJP just held a protest against the Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government, while in fact we are expecting that the Aam Aadmi Party is also going to hold a protest shortly, and in fact they are going to hold the protest against the BJP because they allege it is the BJP-led Haryana government which is till this day not in fact giving sufficient water to the national capital, and because of that the people here are suffering. So certainly the war of words and of course the drama on the streets of the national capital continues to intensify over the water crisis here in the national capital. Over to you.
Right, so let's just get you an account of the issues at hand when it comes to the people here in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party has gone on to say now there will be a central way of getting water tankers to those who are in need. There's a number that is now being flashed as well. It's 1916. Let's just get you a little bit of a sense of what it is like on the ground, because people are complaining that some days they do get water and some days they don't. Let's listen in to this report with my colleague, Tushka.
In these intense heat wave conditions where temperatures are soaring up to 49 degrees and beyond, I am standing right now at Sanjay Camp, which is in Chanakyapuri, which is struggling with the water crisis right now. Delhi and Delhi residents are crippled with the water crisis right now. As you can see, a lot of women have gathered. It is 10 o'clock in the morning and they've gathered to collect water from this one tanker. Everyone present in this camp will be collecting their water from just this one tanker present here. Let us get in right now and talk to a few women here who have come here to fill water. Didi, as you can see, she's getting together the tanks that she has filled up here on a cycle to take inside right now. आप हमें अपना नाम बताइए और बताइए कि कितने लोग आपके परिवार में रहते हैं?
मेरे घर में 5 जन हैं। नाम मेरा रोशनी है।
हाँ। और पानी की समस्या कितने दिनों से चल रही है यहाँ पर?
कभी टैंकर यहाँ पे टाइम से आता है और कभी नहीं आता, तो फिर होती है दिक्कत।
Alright then, ठीक है। तो फिर let us get in here and speak to a few more women. आप यहाँ पे कितने देरी से पानी भर रही हैं?
1 घंटा हो गया।
1 घंटा हो गया। और हर दिन का कितना जाता है? मतलब इस गर्मी में आप कितने देर तक?
कितना बताएं मैडम आपको हम? कूलर में डालेंगे तो पानी लगेगा, उसमें ही तो कम से कम 40 लीटर पानी एक कूलर में चाहिए ही चाहिए।
आपके घर पे कितने लोग हैं?
5 लोग हैं।
और तो फिर पूरे दिन का एक दिन का पानी आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो?
यहीं से ले जाते हैं।
हाँ, पर पानी की जो समस्या है उस पर आप हमें बताएं कि टैंकर कितने बजे आता है?
टैंकर का कोई टाइम नहीं होता मैडम।
तो फिर आपको कैसे पता चलता है?
आते हैं देखने के लिए,
अच्छा,
पता करते हैं कि टैंकर आया है कि नहीं।
और फिर उसके बाद कैसे कैसे टाइम पर आता है टैंकर, मतलब?
कोई टाइम ही नहीं है इसका। कभी 7 बजे डाल देता है, कभी 8 बजे, कभी 9 बजे, कभी 1-1:30 बजे भी डाल जाता है, दिन में भी रात में भी। कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं है। मेरा ही बस मत सुनो, उनका भी सुनो।
Right. So this is what we have gathered from the women here, that the water tanker doesn't come in at a fixed time here. They do have water coming in right now, but there is no fixed such timing as to the water supply coming in here. आप कितने देर से खड़े हो यहाँ?
बहुत देर से 1 घंटा हो
तो
गया।
अब हमें ये बताओ कि मतलब ये जो पानी का सप्लाई अभी आ रहा है, ठीक है, गर्मियों के विषय रख के, गर्मियों को मद्देनजर रख के कितना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है पानी को लेके?
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, अब क्या बताएं कितना हो रहा है।
All right then. So what we don't know right now is that what earlier was the case, that water supply used to come in twice a day. Earlier this week, Delhi Water Minister Atishi brought down a water rationing system so as to bring about a supply of a unity, some sort of unity in the water supply here, as some pockets in Delhi are facing water crisis, while some pockets are still well to do. So in order to balance out the water supply in the city, now water supply is just coming in one time a day, which was earlier twice a day. With camera person Arun Negi, this is Tanushka Datta for EDTV.